Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best RV washer-dryer combo units that are available on the market. For their true quality, whether you're a full-time RVer, a weekend camper, or someone living in a small apartment, we've got you covered. You can find all the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the AnyPro Portable Washing Machine. This 27-pound capacity washer and dryer combo is designed for small spaces like RVs, dorms, and apartments. Its standout feature is its fully automatic design with 10 wash programs and 8 water levels. This allows you to customize each wash to suit different fabric types and stain levels. The built-in child lock is a great safety feature, especially if you're traveling with kids. Plus, its LED display makes controlling the machine incredibly intuitive. In terms of build quality, the AnyPro washer is compact but sturdy. Measuring 20.7 by 20.9 by 35.4 inches, it's small enough to fit in tight spaces while still offering a decent capacity. The adjustable legs add to its versatility, ensuring stability even on uneven surfaces like in an RV. The powerful copper-clad motor ensures a thorough wash, while its high-efficiency design helps save water and energy. However, it's not without its downsides. At 50.7 pounds, it's a bit heavier than some of the other models on this list, which might make it less portable. Additionally, while it's great for small to medium loads, larger families might find its capacity limiting. Overall, this is a solid option for individuals or couples looking for an affordable and compact laundry solution. At number 4, we have the Giantex EP20313 Portable Washing Machine, which is a budget-friendly option priced at $145.99. This 20-pound capacity combo includes a 12-pound washer and an 8-pound spinner. It features separate timers for washing, spinning, and wash mode selection, giving you more control over your laundry routine. Its semi-automatic design is simple to operate, making it perfect for beginners or those who prefer straightforward functionality. The build quality is commendable for the price. It's made from ABS polypropylene, which is both lightweight and durable. At just 28.1 pounds, it's one of the most portable units on this list. The transparent lid is a nice touch, letting you monitor the washing process without having to open the machine. The spin dryer is surprisingly effective, removing up to 97% of water, which means less drying time overall. On the downside, the Giantex might feel a bit basic for those who want advanced features. It's also a bit noisier compared to higher-end models. But if you're looking for a compact, affordable washer-dryer combo that gets the job done, the Giantex EP20313 is a fantastic choice for RV dwellers and apartment users alike. Coming in at number 3, we have the Hourtech Portable Washing Machine, a twin-tub design with a total capacity of 28 pounds, 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning. This semi-automatic unit is equipped with a powerful 1300 RPM motor, ensuring quick and efficient laundry cycles. Its drain pump and adjustable inlet hose make it easy to install and operate, even in an RV or small apartment. The design is practical, featuring a transparent window to monitor the washing process. At 31 pounds, it's lightweight enough to move around, but sturdy enough for regular use. The separate tubs allow you to wash and spin dry simultaneously, saving you time. Hourtech also includes a lint filter to prevent clogging and maintain the machine's performance over time. However, being a semi-automatic machine, it does require a bit more manual intervention, such as switching between wash and spin modes. Additionally, the machine's reliance on manual water filling might not be ideal for everyone. But with its high efficiency, large capacity, and portability, the Hourtech Portable Washing Machine is a great mid-range option for RVers and small households. At number 2, we have the Smeta Ventless Washer-Dryer Combo. This all-in-one unit is perfect for those who value convenience and space-saving design. With a 2.7 cubic feet capacity, it can handle up to 26.7 pounds of laundry. What sets this model apart is its 16 different wash and dry programs, catering to a wide variety of fabrics like cotton, silk, and even baby wear. The ventless design means you don't need to worry about external venting, perfect for RVs and small apartments. The Smeta is built with premium features like a stainless steel drum and heat pump drying technology, which keeps temperatures under 120 degrees Fahrenheit to protect delicate fabrics. The 1400 RPM spin speed ensures efficient washing and drying, while additional features like a child lock and quick wash mode add to its overall user-friendliness. Its modern design and front-loading configuration make it a stylish addition to any space. On the downside, at 150 pounds, it's the heaviest machine on this list, which might limit its portability. It's also on the pricier side, but for the added features and convenience, it's worth the investment. If you're looking for a high-capacity, all-in-one solution with advanced features, the Smeta is an excellent choice. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the Aratech Portable Washer and Dryer Combo Set. This fully automatic combo offers 25 pounds of total capacity, 18 pounds for washing, and 10 pounds for drying, making it a top-tier choice for those needing a high-performance, compact solution. With 10 wash programs and 5 water levels, this washer is designed to handle everything from delicate fabrics to heavy-duty loads. The turbo spin cycle and the dryer's 850-watt motor ensure quick and efficient laundry cycles, even on busy days. The design is sleek and modern, featuring a digital control panel for easy operation. Its compact dimensions, 23 by 36 by 23 inches, make it ideal for small spaces like apartments and RVs. The child safety lock and multiple drying modes add versatility and peace of mind for families. Additionally, its stainless steel drum ensures durability and longevity. The only minor drawback is the unit's weight, which, at 62 pounds, might be cumbersome to move frequently. However, with its advanced features, excellent performance, and reliable build quality, the Aratech Portable Washer and Dryer Combo Set is hands down the best option on the market for RVers, apartment dwellers, and anyone in need of a compact yet powerful laundry solution. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this detailed breakdown of the top 5 best RV washer-dryer combos. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.